Hi there, welcome to Jiva Yoga Live. My name is Jane, and today we're going to take a look at Malasana, Garland pose. Today's pose feature is Malasana, also known as Garland pose. This is an excellent pose to stretch out the Achilles tendon, the inner groins, and the lower back, as well as the entire spine. It is highly recommended for those who travel often and who experience constipation. It encourages the downward flow of prana, also called pranavayu. So please come into a squat, turn your feet out. Actually, stand in Tadasana for a moment. You can face you can face the front of the room. And then take your feet out wider than hips width distance and turn them out slightly east to west. Bring your hands to your heart in prayer pose and bend your knees and sit back down into a squat. As you sit down, you might need to adjust your feet a little wider or kind of tweak them any amount. That's totally cool. And then initially round your spine so you can get your elbows inside your inner upper thighs. Yep. Do the best you can to now parallel your forms, pressing your elbows into your inner thighs and your inner thighs back into your elbow. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Your sternum lifts away from your navel, your collarbones broaden east to west, and Trisha's doing a beautiful job of setting her vision to one point. This pose is really wonderful. You can imagine for creating length in the inner groins. It opens up the hips, and it does a wonderful job of lengthening the front body and stretching the thoracic. You can also probably feel that there's nice broadness across the lower spine here, which is really nice. She'll set her gaze to one point. She'll stay with her breath and take a number of breaths here. Take one more final breath in, and then gently release. Come all the way back up to standing. I didn't mention it in the shape, but in case she had challenges dropping her heels to the earth, that's always an option. You can always bring a blanket underneath your heels. If it's challenging to squat down, you can always sit onto a block or two as well. We thank you so much for watching. Namaste. Would you like to dive deeper into today's sequence? Click the link in the description to help get tips on how to deepen your practice.